Lakaw, dami pa.
Amo tanahon ta lang kung say dagan sa panahon.
Would you support him, Mayor, if ever given?
Tanahon ta lang say dagan sa panahon.
Mayor, the governor of Pampanga and the rest of the LGUs.
Governor Meninda, yes, she's the visitor of Pastor Kibuloy. I think the other tonight. Bisita siya, but I met the mayor, the governor when I was in Pampanga. Nagsalita ako doon ng konti about federalism. Ang Israel, pusil siguro, daghang lang pusil. I really do not know. State matters and a host of other things. Ambassador, good marana sila eyes and ears sa ilang host country. So sila mag-observe, then the report to, maybe because agriculture. Ang kuwan din yan. Kuwa mo kunin mo daw, labi na naong kuwan na untay gira. Basi ka nang maginaw, pagkagwapo sa yuta dia. Anak, I've been there.
Mayor, balik tayo dito sa Visos Pampanga. The governor said that she wanted to emulate some of the things nga especially the 911 and public safety.
Good practices, I said. It will require a lot of money, but it would be good if they can put up one also. Hindi man gidingog dako, it's about 90+ billion. Kanang well about ang building and the land, of course.
Mayor, sa recent nga pag-implement sa DCPO sa mga lain pang agency sa police niya sa Dakbayan, itong Sabado sa 18 ka search warrant sa Barangay 23-C, na adunay usa ka nadakpan nga kanhing kapitan sa barangay from 1986 to 2002. Sir Masuko.
Well, I'm sorry for him. The law is the law and we must implement it.
Mayor, dagan pog hungihong protektado sa mga barangay kapitan, barangay councilor ang maong lugar mo nang daghan gyapon.
Anda di sabot wala to ma-raid. Ug tinuod na wala to ma-raid. But I would like also to give just a warning. Kasi barangay captain ka or kusihal ka, I would never countenance an idiot thing like that. But if you're arrested on your own, do not ask me to intervene because I will not, even if it's my son. Kasi kadugo ko, wag kang lumapit. Hindi ako lalapit dyan sa kanila maghingi ng pariglo. No?
Okay. Sir, gidefer sa session ang for second reading ang mining ban nga ordinance. Kaya basig maka-conflict daw sa national law, comment?
It's a gray area actually. Because if it is allowed by the national law, then wala kayo mahimo. The only saving grace is that you would also get the consent of the local government. Sort of. It's a gray area, but you can raise the objection and maybe they will hear you out. Dili man pod absolute, but you cannot also overrule policies of the national government. Ang saving grace there is a sort of a proviso which says that you must get the clearance from the local government.
Mayor, balik ko sa issue sa drugs. Katong apprehension ba sa Barangay 23C involving former barangay officials? Is it because of the tips o katong mga information coming from the tipster?
Wala gyud kay ba na ni I am on top. I really do not know. I do not ask. I leave it to the commander to do his thing. Sino ba anon si Garma?
Garma Pidea.
Hindi ako nagtatanong kasi pag magtanong ako baka may leakage ako pa ang pagbintangan. O ang angilan pag sabi nila that way tungod acting raid, say go ahead. Ang go ahead lang ako. Hindi ako I do not go into the nitty-gritty.
But
yung magtanong-tanong sa ano, that's not my business. That is not the business of a mayor.
Pero yung reward money, Mayor, na sinabi nyo later on,
Yes.
previously,
Yes.
mabigay kaya yun sa
Ibigay ko kasi sinabi ko yan sa tao. Basta sinabi ko yan sa publiko, tandaan nyo, tumanon ko na.
Wala po yung mga nakuha ang mga high-powered firearms. How do you
Yes.
think na
In addition, it aggravates everything because one firearm is one case. Kaya yan ang problema dyan sa yung mga ganon. You must be caught in the possession. If you were just seen before running around with the gun, but at the moment you were arrested, walang baril doon, there's no case against you.
What about Mayor, yung ibalik daw yung tukhang?
Well, I said I do not interfere in the work of the police. Kung ano nila sa gawin, I support them. As long as it is carried in the interest of public service, sa kanila, yung mandate nila, I do not ask questions. I just say, go ahead.
How about sa paglagay ng stickers sa mga lugar na matokhang mayor? Maglagay ng stickers sa harap ng bahay.
Is it
sa
not
labas
a
ng
human
bahay.
right violation, Mayor?
Would you agree na ang nakalagay daw, Mayor, as advocacy against child abuse?
What's
Would
wrong?
you agree?
Yeah, but what's wrong?
Mayor?
What's the statement? What is the violation there? Ngong para sa kayuhan sa tanan, likayan ang droga. And so, unsa may human rights, balay man na. Well, we do it, I said, with remembrance every year. It's a sad part of the history of Davao. Because 1 month after, there was also an explosion at the wharf. And maybe I told you that the reason why we transferred this airport was every time I come here, ay nahihilo ako parang magpiyok. Sukaon mo sa gives me a bad constitution. Okay, that's why I went to this practice of taking Valium. Doon ako nag-umpisa ng ano. Kasi just seeing so many people dying in front of you is not easy. It's not an easy thing to do.
Sana papuri sa'yo'y tunay na malubos. Nais kong mabuhay sa bahala. Salamat sa buhay na